go ahead. I want to get my friends
So the Khatchkar, they used to put on the tomb of the people in the past. So we have a lot of Khatchkar in Armenia, and
They're unique. They're handmade.
they're unique, they're handmade, and
Obviously, you see a cross there.
yeah, we see the crowd. By the way, we're the first nation in 301 accepting Christianity. We're not the first Christian, but the first nation. The first nation, Christians, I think, they started to be developed in the year 200, but then as nationwide in 301, and you can see the cross here and the work.
And does
Of course, this stone is typical of Armenian stone that we find in Armenia.
does the term Khatchkar translate to something?
It means Khatch is the cross,
Okay.
and the Kar is the stone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Khatchkar.
So, and we in Armenia, there are beautiful ones. They are very old. I don't know which century, but these are, of course, newly made with this, as I said, the stone from Armenia.
And of course,
I can add maybe something to that. This was imported. This is a special stone made of like volcanic rock. But what's really unique is they're all different. And in the Armenian tradition, we don't have the crucifix on the cross because the symbols are about eternity and about.
We believe
We believe
that
in eternity and eternal growth.
Christ resuscitated.
Right.
That's why we don't have
Right.
Christ compared to the Catholic Church.
Here you
The
really see,
crucified,
you see the
and
crucifix.
you see the
But these are all
crucifixion.
eternal symbols of eternal life. I think, as Dr. Sebu said, Armenia was the first nation to accept Christianity back in 301 AD. So that's something we're proud of, and that's over, going on 1,800 years now.
so if you see these throughout Armenia or other places, each one will be different.
They're different. They're all hand carved. They're different, and they're unique. It's a form of art. It's a really important part of our culture and our history.
And there's still artisans who can make this.
Yeah, this was just made.
Young people are doing it. And
This is that's
2024.
2021 when this one was made.
And Ara, why did you want this here? At your alma mater.
Because it's a very unique artwork. It represents, we're all kind of survivors, and Armenians are survivors, and we want to have something that's going to last generations, and explain that there's a QR code to explain a little bit about the history and about why this is important. And it's a symbol of really Armenian history and culture.
Very good. Very nice.